Hi there! For today's read aloud, we are going to be reading The Very Cranky Bear. It's going to be a play that we're focusing on today. Tomorrow is your module assessment over the elements of poetry and the elements of drama. So for today's read aloud, we will focus on drama. All right? So what I have here is the script because I want to be pointing out different things to you that may pop up on you tomorrow's test. So every time you see pink, that is the narrator. Blue box is bear. Purple is sheep. Orange is lion. Yellow is zebra. And green is moose. Bear, sheep, lion, zebra, moose are the characters in your in this play. Narrator is not a character in this play. The narrator is the one who is telling the audience, which is you're the audience, what is happening. Okay? So I will be acting out bear, sheep, lion, zebra, moose, and you are going to be my audience. So I'm going to be acting out those characters for you, the audience. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started. The Very Cranky Bear. Narrator. In a big green jungle on a cold and rainy day, 4 furry friends found the perfect place to play. Moose. Wow, it's raining cats and dogs out there. My big, beautiful antlers got all wet. Lion. I'm not sure what you saw falling from the sky, but I saw big, fat raindrops. That's for sure. My golden mane is soaking wet. Zebra. I have never seen it rain this much. I'm surprised my awesome stripes didn't wash right off me. Narrator. Moose had antlers, and lion had a mane. Zebra had awesome stripes, and sheep, well, sheep was just plain. Sheep. I don't have big, fancy features like my friends. I'm just plain. They call me Jane. Plain Jane. Moose. Let's play cards in this nice, warm cave. Lion. Can we play Go Fish? Narrator. None of them noticed that someone else was there. Who do you think is there? Who do you think else is in the cave? Let's see if your prediction came true. Sleeping in that cave was a very cranky. Now, right here, I want to show you something. It says moose, lion, zebra, and sheep. So, I'm playing all those characters. So, if there were other people here with me, we would all at the same time say bear, right? So, all these characters at the same time say bear. So, that's what they see in the cave. I'm going to flip my script. Here's bear. Roar, roar, roar. Narrator. He showed his teeth and roared again and scared them out of his nice, warm den. Bear. So in the big green jungle on that cold and rainy day, those 4 bothersome animals had nowhere warm to play. That's what bear is saying. Zebra. Wait a minute. Maybe if we cheered that grumpy old bear up, he'd let us back in the cave. Sheep. So I want to point something out because you might see this on tomorrow's test, and you actually might see this on the questions over this play here in a little bit. Do you see how it says sheep in purple right here? You do? See it? Awesome. Sheep. He looked pretty tired to me. Who said this? Who is saying this? This dialogue, this conversation, right? Who is saying this dialogue? Is it zebra? Bear? Sheep? It is sheep. Do you see how sheep's name is right here? This means that sheep said, he looked pretty tired to me. Sheep is saying this dialogue. Okay, remember that because you're going to see that. You're going to hear that later. Let's keep going. Zebra. I know that if I didn't have my stripes, I'd be cranky too. That bear needs some stripes. Sheep. I think he needs a nap. Moose. Stripes are silly. What Mr. Cranky Pants needs are some antlers. My antlers always cheer me up and make me happy. Sheep. You guys know that bears sleep all winter, right? Lion. No, 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 no. Stripes are silly and antlers are boring. A beautiful golden mane like mine is what Mr. Grumpy Bottom needs. Sheep. It's October. That means the bear wants to go to sleep for the winter. Zebra. Sheep, what are you babbling about? Sheep. Never mind. This should be interesting. Do you think lion, zebra, and moose are correct? Do you think moose is correct about the antlers, and lion is correct about the golden mane, and zebra about the stripes? Or do you think sheep is right about the bear needing to sleep because it's winter? All right, let's keep reading to find out. I'm going to flip the script and keep reading from it. I know you're not seeing any pictures, but just listen to the words and pay attention to the characters and what they're doing, because we're going to need to focus on what the characters are doing for the questions here in a bit. Narrator. So zebra fetched some mud and lion some grass of gold. Narrator. And moose got 2 big branches and, well, sheep just got cold. Sheep. They have no idea what they're getting into. Moose. Yoo-hoo! Grumpy old bear! Zebra. Hello, Mr. Cranky Pants. Lion. Bonjour, Mr. Grumpy Bottom. Narrator. Sheep was getting worried. Sheep. Maybe they've been eaten. Narrator. But then from the cave came a very cranky bear. Roar! Narrator. The animals ran out and the bear was right behind them. They hid behind the bushes where they hoped they wouldn't find them. Bear. Look at me. I look ridiculous. I'm a bear, not a moosebrian. Okay, right here, it's kind of hard to see. But bear is combining moose, zebra, and lion. He's combining the word, because remember, moose, zebra, and lion, they're trying to give them stripes, antlers, the golden mane. Sheep. I think he just made that word up. Bear. Yes, I did. All I really want is a quiet place to sleep. Sheep. That's what I thought. Bear. You knew? Why didn't you tell your friends? Wait, didn't sheep try to tell his friends? Okay. Remember, this is still a script, and right here it says sheep. I tried, but they wouldn't listen to me. Wait right here. I have an idea. So this dialogue, I tried, but they wouldn't listen to me. Wait right here. I have an idea. Who's saying that dialogue? Sheep. Very good. Narrator. So she found a pair of clippers and clipped off half her wool. She stuffed it in a cotton bag until the bag was full. She tiptoed back inside the cave. Moose. That sheep is really very brave. Zebra. Oh, now I know what she was babbling about. Lion. What? Zebra. The bear is tired because he's going to hibernate for the winter. Moose. Why didn't she just tell us that? Didn't sheep say that to them? They weren't listening, were they? Narrator. Back inside the bear's cave, the sheep bravely said, sheep. So the sheep is saying this dialogue right here, what I'm about to say. Sheep. Here you go, Mr. Bear, a comfy pillow for your head. Bear. Well, thank you very much. That's exactly what I needed. You can stay and play if you will just read. Narrator. So moose, zebra, lion, and sheep read the bear a bedtime story so he could fall asleep. So right here, no, it's kind of hard to see. Moose, zebra, lion, sheep. So if there are other people with me and we're acting out these characters, at the same time we would all say, the end. Here's bear. Snoring. There you go. All right. I hope you liked this little play that I put on for you. I know I didn't have any of those little stick figures with the pictures on there, and I was just showing the script, but that's always really, that's something good that you need to see too, a script, okay? Because that's part of the elements of drama, okay? So here on the next slide, we are going to go over questions for the Very Cranky Bear. I hope you enjoyed today's play.